When it comes to lemon or lime juice, as bartenders, we're always told that fresh citrus fruit is always best. It gives you the best tasting juice. But today in this video, I'm going to discuss 5 or 6 facts of why that's not always true. And then I'm going to talk about and ask the question, is fresh fruit actually worth the faff when we've got products like this readily available? Now, before I start, I have to say, if I was making this video 8, 9, 10 years ago, then I would be very much with the bartenders team fresh citrus fruit. However, I've been making videos like these for the last 5 years. And during those 5 years, I've always been teamed bottled citrus. And all I can say is over those last 5 years, it's not only have the products got better, the technology to make the products has got better, and brands have been investing way more money to make their products even better. So now in 2026, we have to ask the question, is there a place for fresh citrus fruit? Now let's dive into that first question. Fresh citrus fruit always tastes better. And I'm going to answer that question straight away with no, it doesn't. Bartenders think it does, but then when they put themselves in a blind tasting scenario, whether it's, and it's got to be with cocktails, whether it's daiquiris, margaritas, Collins, whatever your chosen drink of choice is, very rarely does fresh citrus juice ever beat bottled. So why is that? Why can a bottle of lemon and lime juice actually beat the taste of fresh citrus? Well, we're going to come on to that in various other points. But the point to note here is that actually fresh citrus does taste better a couple of hours after it's been squeezed. Just before the oxidization really kicks in, but before it goes on the turn. So you've got that window of about 2 to 6 hours after it's been juiced, where it tastes really, really good. After on juicing, you've got a little bit of harshness to it. And then after 6, 7, 8 hours, you start to get the oxidization from it. This is a stable product. So the bottles, you're never going to have that problem. And then to follow up on those blind tastings, actually when the bottle doesn't win, most bartenders can't really tell a difference. There's no notable difference to them in their palates to say one is better than the other. So therefore, you have to then think about other factors like price and ease of use. Then let's look at the next trap that many bartenders will fall in. And they will say that fresh citrus is fresher, therefore, it's going to taste better. Now, to debunk this will all depend on where you live. I'm just basing this here in the UK and various other parts of Europe. Maybe this will be applicable to Australia and parts of the US as well. Now, here in the UK, we do not grow fresh citrus fruit. It is imported. We cannot go to the bottom of our garden. We cannot go to the orchards that are local to us and pick fresh citrus fruit. Therefore, we are relying on getting our fruit from fruit and veg merchants, greengrocers, or supermarkets. Now, just speaking to the UK, for example, a lot of our citrus fruit comes from Italy, Spain, parts of Turkey, other parts of Europe. Therefore, is that really fresh? Now, if you compare that to scenario to products like this, where the technology is there now to make the products extra special, then lemons and limes that go into products like this will literally be juiced within a couple of hours of being picked or harvested off the trees. Therefore, the lime and the lemon juice that goes into these bottles is fresher. Now, let's debunk the next statement, which a lot of bartenders will come out with, is that fresh lemons and limes are better because bottled stuff is full of chemicals. Now, as I said at the top of this video, if I was making this video 8, 9, 10 years ago, then I would have agreed because the products out there then were full of chemicals. I affectionately call these brands like Jif Lemon and Jif Lime. Supermarkets will have their own versions of this. And even they have got better over the last few years because now they are just made with concentrates. They're lemon concentrate, lime concentrate, and then they've got a tiny bit of antioxidant in them. However, when it comes to products like this, that could not be further from the truth. And if we just take Fine as Cool, for example, that many bartenders will have a hate on, actually this product in both cases is 99.9% juice. 99.9, which does leave a tiny amount, 0.1%, but that 0.1% is an antioxidant that you will find in most major wine brands, in most major bottles of wine that you drink all around the world. So is that a bad chemical? No one really moans about it in wine. Now let's look at the next statement. Buying fresh lemons and limes is cheaper than buying bottled. Now again, if I was making this video 10 years ago, I would have agreed with you. However, here in 2026, with the price that fruit is these days, with the logistics involved in transporting, the costs involved in that, in fuel and everything, then no, it is not even remotely close. Let's just take this fruit, for example. And I've not made a point here to go and buy really small fruit. This is pretty much standard of what you'd get here in the UK from a lot of greengrocers and a lot of supermarkets. They are tiny. And while you might be paying 25p for a lime or 20p for a lemon, for example, you're still going to need a couple of limes and a couple of lemons to get 25 mil. So let's just look at broad spectrum pricing for a quick second here. If we are saying roughly 2 lemons or 2 limes to make a shot 25 mil, then all right, it might be 1.5. I kind of work this to about 45 to 50p per shot when you are using fresh. Bottled stuff like this is about 20 pence per 25 mil. Now to save you doing the maths, just on this brand alone, that is less than half the price of using fresh citrus. Now, yes, you have to look at various different brands. Some brands, well, actually, this is one of the cheapest on the market and it's one of the best on the market as well. Other brands come in smaller bottles that may look cheaper by a couple of pence, but actually you're getting 250 mil less. But broad spectrum, over most brands, you are comfortably talking bottled juice is half the price of fresh citrus. And then let's not even get into the wastage, because I've got a couple of fresh limes here that are battered and bruised. You know, you're not always, even if you buy a case of limes, you're not guaranteed that all 40 limes are going to be usable. So therefore, for every lime that you're not using or a lemon that you're not using in a case, your price per unit goes up. Whereas because of the antioxidant, that 0.1% antioxidant in here, if you can't use that in 30 days, then there's something going wrong. Another statement that bartenders like to spout, well, my fresh limes and lemons are actually going to last longer than my bottled citrus juice. That might be a case with some brands that haven't got the antioxidant in it, but the fact that brands like this have got the antioxidant in it, that is complete nonsense, because as I said, this, if you once opened in the fridge, will last you at least 30 days. There's no way a lime is going to last you 30 days in your fridge. And even if it does, you're certainly not going to get the same amount of juice out of it as what you would have done 30 days ago. And then the last two statements I can debunk in one swift, easy motion. The two statements, fresh limes, fresh lemons are easier to use. Fresh limes, fresh lemons are quicker to use. Really? Are they as quick as this? I don't think so.